experiencing some technical difficulties. Whilst these are isolated incidents, it is extremely important you monitor your synth for any unusual behavior. Is your synth experiencing issues with location recognition, facial expression output, physical coordination? If so, we need to urgently recall your unit and begin a process of complete recalibration.
He actually said to me once, "What's wrong with your eyebrows?" It's like, brush it out and then straighten it out. Straighten it out. That looks so much better. They look really neat now.
Lie.
You think it's a lie?
I got David wrong, so I think we should ignore me.
Just, you do it.
Ignore me.
So your advice is, I'm not sure, I don't know, maybe a lie, and
Ignore me.